Yo guys, good morning. Okay, I'm in India, Jaipur, literally. There's my hotel. Guys, just look at the view where I am. Imagine coming here in the middle of the night. Stray dogs literally everywhere, rabies filled. Yeah, so obviously I've woken up, had a little bit of a sleep. I need to buy a SIM card. So I try to buy a SIM card. Try and book well, look at this. Got a bag here, rope. Buy a SIM card. Oh, they got motorbikes for rent here, that's good. But I'm not saying, like I said, I'm only here for a night, and I need to get to another city, which is about, I don't know, 20, 21, 22 hours away on a coach. So I need to book a coach, so I need basically I need an Indian SIM to do that. So, but yeah, it's actually warm now, like, thank God it's warmer. I remember coming out last time. Hey doggy. Yeah, we'll stroke these ones. So I need to just yeah, do that. Yeah, madness, man. Absolute madness. There's an old school Jeep there. Probably from the time when the British were ruling. Who knows on it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna try and get. Oh guys, absolute madness here, man. Look at the cars, man. No one speaking my language, English. Apparently I can't even get a SIM card because I'm not an Indian resident. I'm fucked. Right, you guys go straight down to get... Look at the size of them, man. Dogs are massive. Right. Let me find a place. See what's happening. I gotta watch the road. Hello. Hello. Damn, look how close they're getting. Bad. Let's put this camera away. They're probably looking at it like gold. Alright, get a SIM card and get out of here. Right, someone have told me there's a shop over there for SIM cards. I need to cross this busy road here. But I'm not supposed to cross this, man. That's bad. I've done it. Hello. See on the back. Right, you guys go in there, smoking shop, find out SIM card. Bro, it's mad, absolutely mad. Totally screwed. He goes without citizen, like you gotta be a citizen to get a SIM card. So I have to get a rickshaw, tuk-tuk to go to the office, and then yeah, I'm screwed. I'm gonna head back to the hotel, see what to do. Like I said, I'm in the wrong city. Like, look at it, it's just absolutely mad. Right, I'm gonna cross the road. I'm holding the camera in my hand now. Looks less appealing to people. So, cross the road. Right, no chance with the SIM card. Bro, they're actually wild here, man. It's so wild here. SIM card. Okay, I'm gonna ask him now. Your SIM card? SIM card? No. No, SIM card, man. Right. One guy says turn left here. So I'm gonna turn left. Brother, SIM card. SIM card. Oh man. Thank you. See what I mean? No one really, because of the foreigner situation, I can't do anything. Bro, look at the size of these dogs, it's actually way massive, bro. I'm screwed, I'm gonna have to just go back. Know what to do, man. Mash up. Absolute mash up, man. Just asked another shop. Dogs are just wild everywhere here, man. Worse than Thailand. In Thailand, I reckon you could stroke them. Not here though. Here's mad. Here's India for ya. Jaipur. Come out the way. That was a wheelchair. That was like for disabled. That's mad. That looks like a G-Wagon. Yep. Nearly hit me then. Right, I'm gonna head back to the hotel. Hopefully do something. Oh, I'm so annoyed. Might go for a trim as well. In there. Don't know how hygienic it is. But what can I do, guys? Here's the entrance to the hotel. I'm boiling here as well. So I got this jacket on. Let me just ask this place here. Right, that was a no-show again. So he's just out of it. Back to the hotel down there. It's a weird entrance to the hotel. That's like when I came here, the dogs are mad. They were like horses just barking at each other. So I've been told by the hotel manager, don't run. As soon as you run, they'll start biting you. That's what I mean, look. A lot of crap everywhere as well. Right, I'm walking back to the hotel. I seen that guy that was sitting there earlier. I just asked him, I was like, I'm stuck for a passport, and he was like, oh, made some phone calls. He's like, what's wrong? I go, I'm not an Indian citizen, so I've only got like a foreign passport. You guys are gonna try to help me out. Someone gonna come down and drop off a SIM card for me and just pay them in cash. Hopefully it's not a scam, you never know, innit? So I'm just gonna ask the hotel manager, do you know him? Like, he's just sitting there on his phone. You never know, innit? Foreign country, next thing you know, take the passport, getting jumped, getting, you know, I don't think I'm gonna say the words on YouTube. But yeah, I spoke to the lads. They came on the bike. He goes, he got some emergency, so he had to go home. There he is. These roofs are see-through. He said he has emergency. He has to go home. He's come back in 1 hour. Okay, guys. I've ordered the tuk-tuk. These guys are taking a mick to bring me a SIM card. I'm gonna get out of this city. I'm just getting annoyed. Like, I'm stuck here. No one speaks English. Mash up. So I'm gonna get to the tuk-tuk. I've got an Uber. Wait, I think he's over there. You can't get through the gates. Over there. 3327. Alright, so I'm gonna go 322. So I'm gonna go. Right, guys, I don't know what this Uber guy is doing, but I'm just still waiting for him. He says he's arriving now, but so ran. Oh, there's no signal here, so I have to get some signal. Go back a bit. Right, he was helping me out with the SIM card earlier. I got into the Uber now, so we're just going now. I literally got like 10 minutes to get to the coach station before he leaves. So I need to get on that coach to get out of the city. If I don't get on that coach, I don't even know the way back here. See what I mean? Maddness, bro. I told him to be quick because I need to get there. Pretty much the same road I went on to look for a SIM card. Hello, doggy. You get there quickly. Oh, look at him just pull that in front of everyone. Bro, you gotta be like brave to drive around these roads. You know, you take it for granted when you're back in England. Like, you know, even like a poor person can live privilege in the UK. Like, come on here, something like that. But here's a new partner. Right, let's hold on this. Oi, 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 oi. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just walking in the middle of the road. So much dust. I think it's like school time now. School's finishing, so that's why there's a rush. That's what I'm thinking, guys. Madness. Actually madness. This is electric tuk-tuk as well. What a world, bro. Oh, yo. Oh, it's calmer here now. Police. What's going on there? Raid. God knows what's going on. Bus here. This is the one. No, that's not it. That's it. But I've actually made it on the bus. Literally was just about to leave. I had to bang on the door, and now they're just checking the tickets because I've done online. Everybody paid in cash. First of all, I went inside there. No, there. You guys are going next door, and I seen the bus. It's obviously a massive bus. But look, apparently I've got to share this, but after 11 o'clock I get my own booth up there. So let me just, yeah, I know we speak to one guy here. He can understand a little bit English. So yeah, I'll put my phone away before I lose it. But yeah, there's no toilets on it. It is a sleeper, so this is what you get. Like, look, not even lying, you got to share this with whoever buys the next ticket. But yeah, this is mad, yo. Like, I'm in a different country. Like, I'm confused, but you just have to happen, and you have to make do, guys. All right then. That's probably called when I land or when we do some stops. It is nearly like 20 hours. It's a good job I'm lying down, bro. I need some sleep. Right, guys, we're actually on the move now. So many flies here. I don't know what's happening. Probably go to another stop to pick up more people because he did say I'm with someone sharing. But yeah, Tony's guest house, Jaipur Polo house. There's India for you guys. I think really I should be making a plan. Stop doing this silly thing of doing shooting off the countries without making no plan. But this just shows you proof it does actually work. You know, you're gonna take some stress, of course. It's gonna mess with your head a bit. You are gonna lose sleep. Your mental health is gonna rise. You know, but in the end, it's worth it. Because imagine if it was easy, guys. Everybody be doing it because it's hard. At least I can say I did it hard. There's a kite there. I see loads of kites here. You know, I've got loads of other countries I want to visit, bucket list and that. war zone countries, civil war countries. To go, when I was in Thailand, to go to Malaysia, I had to go through like a civil war kind of area. But it is what it is, you know. I knew something wrong moved there, that could have been the end of me. No more JP vlogs. But I got through it. Just shows you, man. You gotta adapt, guys. There's a kite on top of that line there. Bro, I bet you all viewers must be thinking, what a mad geezer I am. Just jumping on off planes, coaches with no plan. Like literally, like I'm gonna go to the next city. I've got no hotel booked. I'm gonna land in the middle of the night, and because I can't even book anything, can I? Because I've got no signal. What's that guy selling there? Like bare keys and that. He's just waiting to cross. Yeah. Oh, he's filling up his water. There's the Indian flag. I actually can't even believe it. Like I'm actually in India. All this was a dream. Mr. Beckles will know about this. Just starts with a dream, innit? It's gotta put that plan into action. Whoa, see that tuk-tuk trying to squish through there? That's mad. Show you a bit of that. Hotel Ganja. You can see that sign up there. Madness. Yeah, like holding a GoPro, they get a bit paranoid because they think you're a spy or something. Oh well, brother, I'm just a YouTube man, relax yourself. They don't even understand what that means. No, I just say some bare nonsense, didn't they? Yeah, there's a lot of beep beeping. Alright guys. I think we're pulling up. I don't know why. But yeah, I think it might be like halfway there. No, not halfway, still got ages. But anyway, look at this, guys. Look at that little girl there, putting all that weight on her head. That's just mad. She looks like 3, 4 or 5 years old doing that, you know. You never see that in England, yeah. I'm pretty sure that looks over 20 kg. All that wood, them sticks, they're like logs. They weren't sticks, logs. What else happening here? This is what I mean. I was sharing. I don't mind staying here for like this for a bit because I've got my bed over there. But yeah, I don't know what's happening. Look, there's what's going on here, guys? Oh, that must be the firewood because it does get cold at night. Like freezing temperature. Yeah, look at the lorry just overweight. There's the sunset, guys. That's a beautiful sunset though. Right, I'm in my little sleeper bed now, so the one I told you about, I was going to go there. It's still not 11 years, so I'll just come in now. Anyway, literally. Could have went in there, but oh well. He told me to stay in this one. So I'm just staying here. Got a little aircon here. Got a good think we have stopped halfway now. Like, I don't know where we are. It's in the middle of nowhere, like look. Here's a guy I was chatting to. I'm on, which one am I on? I think I'm on the top one there. Like you can tell, like, where am I? Nowhere, bro. I'm gonna jump back on the bus because, you know, if the bus leaves, you know, I'll be totally, you know, you can't say the words on YouTube. But yeah, halfway. Long journey. I don't know how long it's been, about 10 hours, 9 hours. Madness, man. Cold as well, man. Starting to get cold. Oh crap, I need some water. You know what? Let me go get some water from inside. He's inside. I wonder how much the water is going to be. Got about 20. Let's see. Right, I got a water bottle. Mad thing is, yeah, I didn't even know what to say, yeah. So all I said is the same thing the other guy just said in front of me. Tiny bottle. And I think he asked me how much. So I said just one. So I got it. Like, look, this is the bus. Yeah. Checking where I am. Imagine trying ripping me off. She said the same thing, give the same amount of money the other person did. Yeah, man. This is me, man. My one is about to finish. Right there. Alright guys, I've come off the bus now, yeah. Jumped in a tuk-tuk, it's freezing. Let me get to the hotel and then I'll speak to you. It's freezing, guys. I've arrived at my hotel here. The taxi driver, he was asking for too much, but you know what it is? I was in the cold. I had no idea where I am. I named the hotel. I want to go there as well, see the Golden Temple. It's like an icon. Anyway, yeah, so I thought, you know what, just take them. I mean, he didn't rip me off as much as I thought. He just, like, for him, he probably thought he's winning. But I'll give him the money. There's me on the camera. The taxi driver's gone. Like, he helped me with everything. He let me sit in the car, like, look on his phone for some hotel nearby, because I don't have a SIM. Yeah, but look where I am. Like, I'll just show you. Like, look, in the middle of nowhere, guys. Obviously I had to choose the best, the diamond, but it's literally the cheapest as well, so obviously we'll see how the thingy is. I'll go upstairs and show you the room. Same problem. I come to the hotel, diamond, even this one, they're all saying that they don't accept foreigners. You need to be Indian citizen to get a hotel. So remember, guys, if you come in here, you're messed up. Look at that, guys. Bro, I can see daylight. Like, I've had some sleep in the coach. New York. I haven't tried that one there. Let me go try that one. See what happens. But he goes, try and go to a different city where they accept foreigners. Let me just try this guy here, New York. So guys, you're wondering what I'm doing here. It's no one's helping, so I've got to find another village that takes foreigners. I'm stuck in this village here. Literally, look, guys. People just smoking away. Not smoking away, like building fires just to keep warm. That's how cold it is. Like, look, in the middle of the road, like about 6 in the morning, probably 7 in the morning now. So mash up, bro. Mash up. Gotta go to a coach station now, or bus station. So I gotta order a rickshaw. He's helping me out and get me out. Get to coach to go to another city when it can take, doing the same thing again, filling up petrol or whatever it is, the tyres. Apparently you have to get off these rickshaws. He's asking me where you want to go without getting the bus. I'll drop you off. I said, brother, it's too cold to go inside this. It's like 1 hour away. Madness, go, madness. I had to drink that little orange juice just to get a bit of energy. Because I'm literally feeling myself draining and that. But yeah. The other place, or the other hotel was telling me to go. Apparently the next hotel I went to, he goes, you're going to a red light not red light district, you're going to a red zone, like trouble zone. Okay, right guys, what I was saying earlier, not a red light district, a red zone, so especially for foreigners, like look at these dogs here. It's a red zone, so you don't go there. Otherwise, you know, shambles will happen, you know, like, they're telling me you could get kidnapped and all this rubbish, like, you know. That's why I'm holding the camera in my hand like this. Yeah, covering my face. Because I'm getting looked at madness here, you know. And I told you I'm a foreigner here. I'm gonna go over there to the bus station. So guys, I managed to get on the bus. This is the bus. Over there. I'm on the bus now. Finally got the bus, and apparently it's just about to leave as well. Let's sit on the bus now. That's enough, guys. Okay, now I'm on the bus. Just gonna wait till I get there. Okay guys, I made it into the village. I literally look. So I'm gonna ask them where I gotta go now. I just spoke to the local. He goes, I gotta get someone to drive this because no bus goes there where I gotta go. That's where like they give foreigners a accommodation without citizenship of India. I spoke to the local. He's just getting his thing ready now, and then we can go. This guy helped me here, so let's get it ready and we can go now. What is dogs there, man? That's mad. When we get over there, well, there's a lot of rickshaws in here, man. We're in the taxi now. Absolutely freezing. Like, I wouldn't expect India to be this cold. I'd say compared to like December in the UK, that's how mad it is. You can tell the way blankets and stuff. My hand's probably shaking as well. Oh, madness. Madness. Statue. That's massive. That's huge. Guys, look where I'm going. It's the middle of nowhere. Where's he taking me, bro? Like, look, I can't see nothing. There's that much fog. Look. Who knows? I told him what I told him. Seeing some houses. confirmation that yours is inland. I've seen some hotel signs as well. Right, he says go inside, take a right. Let's hope this is the right one. Right hand side. Right hand side. Oh, I don't know, man. Oh look. Alright guys, so I've been told go straight down there, take a left. Oh, bro, it's creepy though, but like I said, you have to adapt. If you haven't yet done yet, guys, subscribe. I need you guys to subscribe, because you haven't done that. Look, it helps me out, man. Okay. Right, when I'm cold I talk rubbish. I know there's a shop there. One of them told me there's a shop here. I think it's that one.